Namaste. In the last video, we have discussed some important formulas related to integrals of some particular functions. And in this session, we move on to exercise 7.4. Let me start. Here the first question is integral 3x square divided by x raised to 6 plus 1 dx. So this can be rewritten as integral 3x square by x raised to 6, that is x cube the whole square, a raised to m the whole raised to n, a raised to mn. Okay, and 1 can be written as 1 square dx. Now we can make the substitution. We can put x cube as t, that is 3x square dx is equal to dt. So instead of 3x square dx, we can write dt divided by x cube is t, so t square plus 1 square. Now it is in the form integral dx by x square plus a square. Integral dx by x square plus a square. And what is integral dx by x square plus a square? It is 1 by a tan inverse x by a, then plus c. Okay, integral dx by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So here we can write 1 by a value is 1, so 1 by 1 tan inverse t by 1 plus c. That is 1 by 1 is 1 tan inverse t plus c. And instead of t, what we can write? X cube. So tan inverse of x cube plus integrating constant c. So our final answer is tan inverse x cube plus c. Clear? Here the next question is integral 1 by root of 1 plus 4x square dx. So first of all we can change the question. Integral root of 1 plus 4x square 2x the whole square dx. Or we can write integral 1 by root of this 2x the whole square, we can write first 2x the whole square, then plus 1. 1 can be rewritten as 1 square. Okay, dx. Now we can replace 2x by t. So we can put 2x is equal to t. So 2 dx is equal to dt, or dx is equal to dt by 2. So integral 1 by root of t square plus 1 square, then dt by 2. That 1 by 2 we can take it out. So 1 by 2 into integral 1 by root of t square plus 1 square dt. So what's the formula here? Integral 1 by root x square plus a square dx, or integral dx by root of x square plus a square, which is equal to what? Log mod x plus root of x square plus a square. We have the formula integral dx by root x square plus a square is equal to log mod x plus root of x square plus a square, then plus integrating constant c. So by using this formula we can write 1 by 2 into log mod x, instead of x here it is t. So t plus root of x square plus a square. Root of x square plus a square. That means we have to write the term on the denominator as it is. So t square plus 1 square, then plus c. Now we can replace the value of t. 1 by 2 log mod t value is 2x. So 2x plus root of 2x the whole square, then plus 1 square is 1, then plus c. That is 1 by 2 into log mod 2x plus root of, we can rewrite this term as it is given in the question, 1 plus 4x square. Here it is 4x square plus 1. So we can write 1 plus 4x square, then plus integrating constant c. So our final answer is 1 by 2 into log mod 2x plus root of 1 plus 4x square plus c. Clear? Now we move on to question number 3. Integral 1 by root of 2 minus x the whole square plus 1 dx. Here we can put 2 minus x as t. minus dx is equal to dt or dx is equal to minus dt. It is equal to integral minus dt divided by root of t square plus 1 can be written as 1 square. This minus we can take it out. So minus integral dt divided by root of t square plus 1 square. Okay, that is minus of integral dx by root of x square plus s square. The same formula we have applied in the previous question. Log mod x plus root of x square plus s square. Here log mod t plus root of t square plus 1 square then plus c. Or we can write minus log mod t value is 2 minus x, so 2 minus x plus root of 2 minus x the whole square then plus 1 square. 1 square is 1 then plus c, and which is equal to minus log mod 2 minus x plus, here we can expand this one, 2 square is 4 then 2ab minus 4x then plus x square plus 1 plus c, and which is equal to minus log mod 2 minus x plus root of x square minus 4x plus 5 then plus c. This minus sign we can write it on the power log a raised to b is equal to b log a. Okay, so here we can write log modulus 2 minus x plus root of x square minus 4x plus 5 the whole raised to minus 1 plus c, and we know a raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. So here we can write log mod 1 by 2 minus x plus root of x square minus 4x plus 5 plus integrating constant c. Okay. Now we move on to the next question. Integral 1 by root of 9 minus 25 x square dx. So this can be rewritten as 1 by root of 9 is 3 square and 25 is 5 square. So we can write 5x the whole square dx. Okay, now it is of the form integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx, but instead of x the term is 5x. So we can replace 5x by t. So put 5x is equal to t, 5 dx is equal to dt, dx is equal to dt by 5. So here integral 1 by root of 3 square minus t square dt by 5. This 1 by 5 we can take it out. So 1 by 5 into integral 1 by root of 3 square minus t square dt. Okay, that is 1 by 5 into integral 1 by root of a square minus x square. First one is a constant, so a square minus x square. What is integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx? It is sin inverse x by a. Okay, integral dx by root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. So here we can write sin inverse t by 3 plus c. That is 1 by 5 into sin inverse t value is 5x, 5x by 3 plus c. Okay. Now we move on to the next one. Integral 3x by 1 plus 2x power 4 dx. First of all we can take this 3 outside. So 3 into integral x by this 1 can be written as 1 square. Then 2x raised to 4. Okay. 2 is not a perfect square, so we can write root 2 square. Root 2 square is 2. And x power 4 can be written as x square the whole square. Okay. So root 2 x square the whole square dx. Or we can rewrite this one 3 into integral x by, this time we can write first root 2 x square the whole square then plus 1 square dx. Now we can put root 2 x square as t. So put root 2 x square is equal to t. x square derivative is 2x, so 2 root 2x dx is equal to dt. But on the numerator the term is x dx. So from this we can write x dx is equal to dt by 2 root 2. Okay. So here 3 into integral 1 by t square plus 1 square and x dx is dt by 2 root 2. This 2 root 2 we can take it out. So 3 by 2 root 2 into integral 1 by t square plus 1 square dt. Okay, that is 3 by 2 root 2. Integral 1 by x square plus a square. What is integral 1 by x square plus a square? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Okay, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here 1 by 1, a value is 1. Tan inverse x by a, t by 1. Then plus integrating constant c. Or we can write 3 by 2 root 2 tan inverse t. T value is what? Root 2 x square. Root 2 x square then plus c. So our final answer 3 by 2 root 2 tan inverse root 2 x square plus c. Understood? Now we move on to question number 6. Integral x square divided by 1 minus x raised to 6 dx. So this can be rewritten as x square by 1 can be written as 1 square x raised to 6 x cube the whole square dx. Okay. Now we can replace x cube by t. Put x cube is equal to t. 3x square dx is equal to dt. Here we have x square dx on the numerator. So x square dx is equal to dt by 3. Which is equal to integral 1 by 1 square minus t square. Then x square dx dt by 3. So 1 by 3 into integral 1 by 1 square minus t square dt. Okay, that is 1 by 3. Integral 1 by a square minus x square dx. Or integral dx by a square minus x square. The second formula. Okay. So integral dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a log mod a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. Okay. Integral dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a log mod a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. So here we can write 1 by 2a, 2 into 1 log mod a plus x, that is 1 plus t divided by a minus x, 1 minus t, then plus c. That is 1 by 6 log mod 1 plus t value is x cube. So 1 plus x cube divided by 1 minus x cube, then plus integrating constant c. So the final answer 1 by 6 log mod 1 plus x cube by 1 minus x cube plus c. Clear? Here the next question is integral x minus 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx. First of all we can split the term. Integral x by root of x square minus 1 dx minus integral 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx. So in the first one we can put x square minus 1 as t. Okay, integration by substitution. That method we can apply here. And in the second one we can apply the formula 1 by root x square minus a square. This 1 can be treated as 1 square. Okay, so in the first one we can put x square minus 1 is equal to t, 2x dx is equal to dt, x dx is equal to dt by 2. So integral 1 by root of t dt by 2. Okay. And in the second term we can rewrite it as 1 by root of x square minus 1 square. That is 1 by root of x square minus a square dx. Okay. Log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Right. So here this 1 by 2 we can take it out. 1 by 2 into integral. This can be written as We know root t is t raised to 1 by 2, t raised to half. And 1 by root t, that is 1 by t raised to half, t raised to minus 1 by 2 dt. Here we can apply the formula log mod x plus root of x square minus a square then plus c. 1 by 2 integral t raised to minus 1 by 2, t raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is what? 1 by 2. So t raised to 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, then minus second term log mod x plus root of x square minus 1 then plus c. This 2 and 2 we can cancel, and t raised to 1 by 2 is root t minus log mod x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. Or we can write root t value is x square minus 1. So root of x square minus 1 then minus log mod x plus root of x square minus 1 then plus integrating constant c. Okay. Next question is integral x square by root of x raised to 6 plus a raised to 6 dx. So first we can write integral x square by root of x raised to 6. This can be written as x cube the whole square. Okay. And a raised to 6, a cube the whole square dx. It is equal to integral. Here we can put x cube is equal to t. So put x cube is equal to t. 3x square dx is equal to dt. And x square dx is equal to dt by 3. So integral 1 by root of t square plus a cube the whole square, then x square dx is dt by 3. This 1 by 3 we can take it out. So 1 by 3 into integral 1 by root of t square plus a cube the whole square dt. So this is of the form integral 1 by root x square plus a square. Integral 1 by root of x square plus a square. Log mod x plus root x square plus a square. Okay. So 1 by 3 log mod t plus root of t square plus a cube the whole square then plus c. That is 1 by 3 log mod. Here t value is x cube. So x cube plus root of x cube the whole square, that is x raised to 6 then plus a raised to 6 plus c. Okay. So the final answer 1 by 3 log mod x cube plus root of x raised to 6 plus a raised to 6 plus c. Okay. Now we move on to the next question. Integral sec square x divided by root tan square x plus 4 dx. So we can put tan x as t. Okay, before that we can write integral sec square x divided by root of tan x the whole square then plus 4 can be written as 2 square. Okay, now we can put tan x is equal to t. So sec square x dx is equal to dt. That is integral 1 by root of t square plus 2 square sec square dx is what? dt. Now it is of the form integral 1 by root of x square plus a square. Integral 1 by root of x square plus a square dx. What is the answer? Log mod x plus root of x square plus a square. So here log mod t plus root of t square plus 2 square then plus c. Or we can write log mod t is what? Tan x. Tan x plus root of tan square x then plus 2 square is 4 then plus integrating constant c. So the final answer is log mod tan x plus root of tan square x plus 4 plus c. Okay. So that's all for today. The remaining questions we will discuss in the next video. If you have any doubt in any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.